Today we're making super moist lemon raspberry muffins. Usually fruit with dough tastes better fresh, but here it tastes better with each passing day. You'll need 200 gram sugar, 1 package vanilla sugar, 110 gram berries of your choice. I used raspberries, but of course you can use blue or blackberries or even cherries. But I don't think it would work well with strawberries somehow. 2 eggs, 115 gram butter at room temperature, 200 gram flour, 1 package of baking powder, the zest of 1 lemon, 45 milliliters lemon juice, 120 milliliter buttermilk. They don't have buttermilk in Turkey, so I make a substitute, which I will write in the description below. And of course, a pinch of salt. Cream the butter with the sugar and vanilla sugar until they become smooth. In the meantime, add the baking powder and a pinch of salt to the flour and mix that a bit. When the butter and sugar is creamy, add 1 egg and mix it until smooth. Add the next the same way. Let the dough absorb the eggs individually. When that's done, add the lemon zest and lemon juice. Don't worry if the dough looks weird. Now gradually add the flour and buttermilk into the dough until it is mixed thoroughly. As you can see, the dough recovers its smooth texture. At the very end, add the berries into the dough and mix them just a bit. If you stir them too much, they'll leak and the color of the dough will change. But if you want to have a marbled look, go for it. Now you can add the dough to your muffin tray or cups like I have here. I used these for the first time and I don't know what to think of them. They are lined with some kind of waxy paper, so the baked muffin doesn't stick to them too much. Bake these little ones at about 170 to 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Like I said at the beginning of the video, let them rest for at least a day. The lemon zest and the juice, together with the berry you choose, will unleash an amazing flavor. You should give it a try. All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.